Thank you bafethu. Welcome to Nkuli Soccer. Si live ku Omni Audio Africa across ama platform different bafethu, siyabonga ukunjoina. Lo Nkululeko kodwa ngazi ngoNkuli Soccer. So sibonile ke izolo bafethu ama PSL Awards, uRile Mfukeng ne Orlando Pirates ba dominateile. Well deserved bafethu, to be honest, ukuthi uRile Mfukeng abe laphana. But khona ama awards bafethu questionable. Sibuzile nathi ukuthi hey, why usibani banathola le award leli, but amajita we Orlando Pirates ngoba yiwo ama defending champions bafethu. I mean bekumele ba dominate. uRile Mfukeng wine players player of the season, kusho ukuthi ama player ku Betway Premiership amvumile bafethu wine footballer of the season, abantu abaningi bamvotela. And then wawina I young player of the season guy 3 manje bafethu, 3 years straight win Rocky Award. Bafethu kungadlalwa ngathi phela le award leli lokhu introducer umuntu umfana omncane. uRile Mfukeng uyi superstar, is already established bafethu, udlala ko World Cup, ko Bafana udlala even go CAF Champions League manje ule ne Belgium. But ke congratulations to wonke umuntu Orlando Pirates okwazile ukuwina iaward. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusijoina whether uku Facebook, uku TikTok, uku live ku YouTube, nisibuza ama question screenini Brian laphana umduba bafethu uzofaka inamba engizoshange WhatsApp kuleyo number leyo, whether ninama question or nifuna uku engage nathi or nifuna ukungifonela live kusho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ezama football fans khona iziningi izinto bafethu esingavumelani yabo. So le dialogue it's not like ukuthi yonke into ngisho i-gospel truth yabo, sifuna nina nikwazi ukujoina i-conversation. So iliphi award, okay, sibonile nabanye abadlali bawatholile lapha nama awards, abadlali bako Galaxy, sibonile even nomfana lapha noEmile Witboy, umfana wa Cape Town City naye ukwazile ukuthola iaward. I think bamvotele ngoba uye kuphela famous lapha ku National First Division bafethu. Azange bebangawabukeli nokwabukela ama game labantu laba, bavotela umuntu abamaziyo. Bhola la South Africa nezimanga silithanda malinjena ke bafethu. Ngingabheka ngazibhekela nabanye abantu abavotile ne. Hayi kabi ngeke sibasha amagama abo, but nibabheka abantu abavotile and then ke nizozijajela. But as for ama awards bafethu, I think khona into eshow eBrian Mdula uthe even nama fans bafethu, khona amanye ama fans khona award kumele libe lama fans, I people's choice angithi balibiza kanjalo kulama awards lawa amakhulu bafethu asemhlabeni. Kumele nama fans abe nesay. Ozwena police bafethu beka deserve maybe player of the season or footballer of the season, at least maybe na uRile Mfukeng bashare 1-1 ngoba ozwena police ukwazile ukuyithwala eOrlando Pirates bafethu from the first game of the season. Lo muntu lona ku MTN 8 kwamanye ama competition uyithwalile Orlando Pirates. But I think for uRile Mfukeng bafethu send off for yena umfana, cause umbhaxabulile bafethu lona uRibeiro last season. So I think they were like, okay, uRile Mfukeng bye bye mfana, akusifani usinikile last 12 months and wakwazi ukwinela Orlando Pirates league. Ezinye izinto bafethu ngifuna ukuzibheka kulama awards lawa. Do you respect ama awards? Aminani kuwe as a fan when on the ground, do you feel like ama awards to this are relevant ngo 2026? Because beswathanda ama awards, bawane vele serious ama awards yabo. Manje ama awards, not even ama awards webhola nje kuphela, but ama awards bafethu across platforms, whether music, acting, inini njalo mekunama awards are questionable. Ne Ballon d'Or, ama FIFA awards, uRonwen Williams da bamnominator khona. Like iziningi izinto obviously ama football fans bafethu singeke sivumelane nazo. Orlando Pirates dominated. As for amanye ama team, Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs bathole 0-0. Ziyakhala. Bafinishe number 2 iSundowns ayitholanga nix. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abantu bazothi Nkuli iSundowns itholile uMukwena uBennett Mukwena utholi top goal scorer award eTDC team leyo bafethu, or i-challenge akusi professional setup angithi vele bekazothola ngoba uyo dominateile in terms of amagoli nezinye izinto contribution yakhe. So i-introduction yakhe lena umfana ku professional setup ebholeni lase South Africa, I think is going to be one of the biggest stars ebholeni lase South Africa. If uyakwazi ukuziphatha kahle, the Sundowns yamnika i-game time. I think if beka kwenye team athola i-game time serious, because ku Sundowns bafethu against o Rhinos o Leon, but into engithanda ngomfana ukuthi uversatile. Ngakhohlwa bafethu, if nina something nifuna ukukhuluma noNkuli Soccer or nifuna ukukhuluma nathi ku Omni Audio, ninga engage nathi bafethu ku WhatsApp. Inamba yethu is 0788777716. Si live ku WhatsApp kulani ngasho ukuthi call us, and then ngizokufonela mina just before reproducer yami izokufonela just before ishow iphela. Maybe khona ezinye izinto enifuna ukuthi sizikhave. Then ezinye izinto bafethu singazibheka, I think singabheka ilokhu njani Kaizer Chiefs ibonile idlala. I team enkulu bafethu. the biggest team in the history of South African football, alikho ibhola se-South Africa ngaphandle kwamakhosi. Kodwa ke esilapha negroundini bafethu ziyakhala. Dlale neScotland idlale ngeB team. Cabanga ucoach weScotland after game uthe la majita lawa adlala eFirst half awadlala eZimbabwe. Bathadlalile against Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs yakora 1 goal futhi nakhona sibonile ukuthi lingene kanjani yabo. So I think mningi umsebenzi okumele wenziwe lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs. And this is what I'm seeing bafethu. Kune division already ku Kaizer Chiefs uDa Cruz technical team yakhe ne management ye Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Ngibone uDa Cruz explainela uKaizer Junior bafethu live egroundini. Explainela ngegame ukuthi ihambe kanjani. Ngeke nayibona phi kumele explainela iboss yakho phambi kwama camera. Uthi why usibani bananga athekanga kahle bodlala kanjani. Okay, I'm only assuming ukuthi beka show kanjalo but ngimbonile uDa Cruz naye beyachaza ngezandla lapha ngoba phela isingisi bafethu yabo siba part time lapha naye une translator yakhe. I translator yakhe naye bafethu inga translate kahle. Angiyazi into enje mina uthi ama player bazowatshelana lapha eteamini enkulu yase South Africa. I'm expecting iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi iadd ama players amanye bafethu exciting because uDa Cruz ukubeke wacaca ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ayikho ready ukucompete for any trophy bafethu. Uthe abasayina ama players iqala and then ke bona bazoqala after ama players afika a different especially ama player lapha phambili bazoqala bathi okay maybe as a team bona bafethu banga compete angithi usho kanjalo ke uDa Cruz imaphi lawo ma player Kaizer Chiefs ekumele wathole and lawo ma player lawo azojoina nini bafethu ngoba already ku late if ama player wekho part of i-preseason ama fans on the ground azothi hey give ama players isikhathi bafethu sibone ukuthi azokwazi ukujela kahle ne team give ama players isikhathi umuntu ufike ngoSeptember ufike ngoAugust ku late iligi iyaqala next week bafethu njengoba iqala iligi niyabona ukuthi ku late kangakanani but sobona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukusayina ama players exciting uDa Cruz uyazi ukuthi ufuna mapha ama play because mawubheka i-left flank ku Kaizer Chiefs uDa Cruz utshele umfundo Vilakazi ukuthi ufuna ukumenza the face of South African football the biggest star ku PSL right eshizoba nzima ke indaba kaMfundo umfundo Vilakazi izoba nzima indaba kaMfundo Vilakazi ukuthi abe the biggest star. Look at ama players we Orlando Pirates bafethu compete against wona kula position lawa kuma wing. Umfundo uzokwazi ukucompete nabo oswena Police Muremi ama players abo Matthews bakuma Melody Sundowns lasikhuluma bafethu ngama players a proper yabo. So umdlalo good kakhulu umfundo Vilakazi but igame yakhe kumele akwazi kuyikhulisa bafethu because decision making lapha phambili ngiyibonile khona laba mphasa ibhola or maybe acabanga ukuthi defender lizolithola but i-first touch yakhe sometimes lapha ku final third and udangerous umfundo mebamdlalisa esidini la kwa right ngoba uyakwazi ukukhatha kahle and first half simbonile bafethu abalanda straight abalanda athi cut second half guess what uDa Cruz wathi we are cruising nice ngizokufaka esidini la kwa left umfundo Vilakazi akasakwazi nokukhatha ke manje akasena plan yafa igame yomfana so dlalisa umfundo Vilakazi ngestrength sakhe nawe Da Cruz siyabona ukuthi ufuna ukubuilda something around yena umfundo ama fans ayamthanda ayazi ukuthi umfundi yakwazi ucreate something out of nothing right but ke mdlalisa iposition la a right khona umfowethu bafethu and then uzoba right uzokwazi ukudeliver into serious for iKaizer Chiefs but into enye intelekayo lapha bafethu kuKaizer Chiefs yilokhu njana number 10 ubani uzoba number 10 eKaizer Chiefs moyo uyibuka iKaizer Chiefs ileke creativity lapha phambili because akekho umuntu okwazi ukuba feed ama winga ulilepo siyambona ukuthi akekho bafethu akasekho ulilepo Kaizer Chiefs ba negotiate ideal yakhe ukuthi ahambe ku Kaizer Chiefs angithi so njengoba engekho ke manje ku Kaizer Chiefs ulilepo ubani manje ozobaherezela because ulilepo akusi wing exciting iwinga maybe that the guy that can take players on izinto ezinjalo but makukhona ulilepo egroundini ngeke usho ukuthi akuphelile ngeKaizer Chiefs angashaya from a distance ulilepo ashaya igoli lenhlanhla noma ashaya igoli eli straight but khona into bekayinika yona Kaizer Chiefs uvele bayi masimbona exciting yena ngespeed sakhe but yini into ayinika iKaizer Chiefs so far mombhekile uvele bayi ucabanga ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthwala iKaizer Chiefs because kule position la khona uvele bayi khona upule modi ngathi ucoach akabi neshow ngama players awatholela lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs but maybe they are still bafuna ukujwayela lapha ni philosophy yakhe ne structure sakhe ukuthi ucoach udlala kanjani but sizokhala maningi ama player kumele bawalethe lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs bafethu singakhohlwa ukuthi ama players amaningi uKaizer Chiefs alimele already kunama players alimele sazi ukuthi bazodila kanjani ngama players alimele bafethu abokhanyisa amayo ama left back wonke kuKaizer Chiefs alimele wonke ama left back and ku left back bafuna badlalisa manje uFrosler enda kana speed ngeke ayimaka uFrost uGoody mekaya phambili. That is why we were excited mesibona uFrost la elaphana edlala imidfielder laphana ku off season besisho ukuthi okay something azoyinika yona Kaizer Chiefs. But in terms of ukumaka, imagine uFrost la as I left back against uSaleng for example. Yo kuzoba nzima. Ngakhohle bafethu ngasijoina across platforms, ama comment ngakhomenta. Ngakwazi even nokusifonela nokuthi sinifonele la ne studio bafethu ningijoine esikhulumeni straight bafethu. Another thing engifuna ukuyibheka la, iMamelodi Sundowns inabo goalkeeper, ama senior goalkeepers amaningi kakhulu. 6 goalkeepers laphana ku first team eMamelodi Sundowns. Yabo? You have uGos ubuyile ku Sundowns. For mina uGos indaba yakhe kubafana iphelile because manje ngeke ahlalise uRonan Williams ebenchini. But maybe it's a good thing ukuthi uGos ubuyile azofaka ipressure serious kuRonza because uRonza unama mistake amaningi and akekho umuntu abamreplace ngaye uRonza if unama mistake laphana ku Sundowns, right? Maybe leyo nto leyizonika icompetition eserious. Onyango una 41 orona ngakhe. Awonyango mela retire bafethu ngeke baye ku pre-season noonyango angeke. Le space lese uonyanga naso kumele sithathe intwana ezincane lapha nabobiyela. Ukhona ubiyela utravela ne first team njalo, uhamba ne first team njalo but akaza ithola opportunity ngoba nangu onyango phela i-captain. Kunabo Riyadh, kunabo February ku Sundowns. Same thing na uKaizer Chiefs nabo banabo goalkeeper abawu6. Uzobenza no goalkeeper abayi6. Ngibone uKaizer Chiefs ku first team bafethu ubani uMathibe. Sema manini correct bafethu if ngilibiza wrong igama lakhe goalkeeper coach eKaizer Chiefs. Sekunabo goalkeeper coach abayi2 ngoba manje baningi kakhulu abo goalkeeper kumele bakwazi ukuset up itraining yabo. There is no way bafethu uthi ufuna ukucompete uzombona if uzotrainisa abo goalkeeper abayi6 uzoma identify kanjani ugoalkeeper uzoba number 2 6 every day when utrainisa ugoalkeeper abayi6 nale ntwana lezi umukwena utakalani ulona umulife. What's the plan? Abana plan because unama senior goalkeepers ayi3 already. Unolo kunjana esimbhekile ubani uPeterson, uno Ronaldo Lina, no Bruce Vuma. Ngaqolisa bafethu but ngakhohlwa ukungijoina. I love uVuma. Ngambona intwana ngasho ukuthi there's something special about uVuma. But ibench le Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthi liyasinda bafethu alikholule yabo. This team is bigger than wonke ama teams wase Africa. Uluboni online presence yabo ku Kaizer Chiefs. Into nje ethinto ay Kaizer Chiefs ya explode. But ke sifuna ukuthi into ethinto ay Kaizer Chiefs inside the field of play, they explode. Bashaya amagoli, ba defende kahle. Benza izinto right kule season le. But abantu abaningi bathi Kaizer Chiefs abayiboni finisher ku number ku top 3. Kusho ukuthi ama coaches azobuya ngelinye ilanga kwazi bani bafowethu asazi. Si live ku Omni Audio, Nkulisoccer. Ngingakhohle if ku YouTube, ku TikTok whatever. Follow us, subscribe, nisijoine ngezinto ezi different in terms of like ucomment abafowethu. Season yabuya next week, we are super excited ukubona ukuthi season yethu okay. Season manje ngiyaxolisa abafethu producer yami lena Saturday league yabuya. Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns sobukela ibhola lethu ke bafethu elimnandi. Kuzoba I think okay, khona into kumele sitshela abantu bafethu ezinye. When we are doing these shows la ku Omni, manje sibukele nina. I mean at the end of the day ball entertainment bafethu kumele wazi ukuthi okay we do this for entertainment, at the same time we do this ukuthi sikwazi ukcreate ama conversation proper, ama conversations enwabona bafethu estradini angithi. So wena mawuhlangana nami nomdu ungifuna ungibamba ngeChalks le muthini ngempela. Bafethu come on. Yeah. Eshuvuma unate uzo next year uwenza 10 years ku first team, 10 years and udlala ama games less than 100. So ayikho into engizoyisho ke bafethu nami yabo, but ngiyamthanda mina uVuma. I think angaba good la kwamanye ama team yabo. Khona i-team la ubona khona ukuthi uVuma angaba good. Maybe kumele bahambise uNtwari noVuma ku Kruger United. But ngizomunya athi okay. Ngizomunya athi ama player ku Kruger United awana ama Cogs. Awuqhubeke mntu lapha. Junior Khanye bafethu kubonakala ngathi uyayi attack iChiefs for some time, but ke ama yabo ukhuluma iqiniso isikhathi esiningi uJunior Khanya bafethu ukuthi iqiniso libhlungu yabo alibhlungu iqiniso bafethu so uJunior Khanya udirect uyasho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs kumele isign ama player iKaizer Chiefs kumele yenze lokho iKaizer Chiefs akumele ayingakho ama player uKaizer Chiefs abawagcinile bafethu uNgcobo una how many years kuKaizer Chiefs how many years uNgcobo wafika before iCovid singakazi ukuthi iCovid izoba khona but to this day uNgcobo simtreata ngathi uyiplayer elisha lapha na kuKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa hayi banikeni isikhathi abafana even umfana ubani lo wako midfielder osuper talented bafethu uzwane una how many years una 4 years kuKaizer Chiefs ku first team but yini into ayenzile bamlonile na kusuwele FC but Kaizer Chiefs into engiyithanda ngayo ba loyal to ama players laphana abafuni ukuthi ama players mfethu abe unemployed South Africa kunzima ngiyakuzwa mfethu I think lento le ukuthi ama teams ama fans avote ngingaba ngconywana yes kuma teams amancane angeke vele bawina bafethu but sonke bese uphuso dithejane besimvotela ngithi bafethu uNdlovu besimvotela lapha ku Golden Arrows but le nto le ithi inika thina ama fans ipower yokuthi sivotele umuntu esimthandayo whether umuntu ku team enkulu or ku team enjani imagine kukhona umfundo Vilakazi uthola ukuthi ube ne season exciting urile Mfukeng uMbokazi ubani ama players are different bafethu so leyo nto leyo inga create ibuzz eserious ukuthi sikwazi ukuvota siyazi ukuthi sivota ngothando but ke nalabantu laba abasha abavotayo sibathembayo bavota ngothando there's no difference okay ama player ku Chiefs for mina maningi ama player ngifila ngathi maybe ngabangcono ko Stellenbosch maybe kuMazulu usamkelo zwana amaZulu bafethu amfuna I think for 2 years manje lo ama rumors athazwane belokuthi uyamfuna I remember even uHappy Mashane bekumela join iStellenbosch but kuKaizer Chiefs beloku ehleli for isikhathi uMorris bekumela join amanye ama team but wahlala isikhathi lapha na kuKaizer Chiefs so banayo lo interest leyo but ba decide ukwagcina ama play even nale intwana leza ku DDC team for example uHlongwane what is the situation yakhe lapha na kuKaizer Chiefs because uHlongwane ngekadlali this season beyangekho ku pre-season ihambisani vele ama player bafutha wahamba ama player nibona ukuthi ngekadlali Okay siyabonga ke kubantu abakhomentayo bafethu bonke abantu whether uyangithuka or kanjani sibonge nje kubo bonke abantu if khona ocabanga ukuthi maybe angafona or ukuthi simfonele back angasho ku WhatsApp yethu bafethu ku WhatsApp line yethu akhulume nami live la kusho but thank you for ukujoina angazi ukuthi ngicabanga ngama PSL awards bafethu ama PSL awards divide as ama fans because sonke si highly opinionated and ayikho into wrong or right ebholeni bafethu because khona abantu uthola ukuthi ba favor Messi or ba favor Ronaldo yonke into wrong right ebholeni wonke umuntu unombono wakhe mina into engisho njalo ukuthi umuntu akabe nombono wakhe o independent ungabe influenced by umdu or ukuthi uNkulu utheni wena ucabanga kanjani ulibona kanjani ibhola babona kanjani o goalkeeper yabo so yeah bengifuna ukuthinta nakancane kubafana uHugo Bros uthe wathi kuJayden Adams uzombona September lokho kuchaza ukuthi uyahlala na asazi you be the judge yabo sibonge bafethu ngokusijoina ku Omni Audio Africa different social media platforms uNkuli Soccer ngiyabonga bafethu for ukungithuka ukungithanda ukungidonatela noma ningibone estradini Nkosi yami ngibonge ngaphandle kwenenhlamba zenu ngaba ngikho lana danko bafethu